हेलो फ्रेंड्स। एक बहुत पुरानी अच्छी कहावत है कि हमेशा युद्ध की तैयारी शांति के समय करना चाहिए। ये जो कोरोना का अभी लॉकडाउन है, दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम फॉर द कैरियर एस्पिरेंट्स टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द टाइम पोस्ट कोरोना, the business scenario and the job scenario. In my earlier video, I had told you that the entire work culture will be changed post corona once the lockdown is opened. Now, I have done a research on what are the areas which will have tremendous potential and job creation post corona once the lockdown is opened. These areas will see rapid growth, and my request to all the job aspirants is that you must align yourself as per your career aspiration, prepare yourself well, and capture the opportunity. The first and the foremost area is your pharma and medical industry, which will have tremendous of openings, along with the nutrical industries, where you have food supplements, where you have health supplements, people who know weight reduction techniques, people who know meditation, people who can train on yoga will be in huge demand. So it is a parallel industry along with pharma and medical, which will call a lot of people to have their involvement in this. The second important sector is that the home entertainment industry, companies like Netflix, Amazon Prime, companies who are working in the gaming segments will see 60 to 70% growth, which is expected. And you will see yourself that earlier we used to have games even in the mobile where one individual could participate and play and enjoy. Now these games have multiple of participants engaging with itself, and in times to come there will be some other flavor to it which you can definitely see. Then the third segment is your online shopping, the e-commerce. I have got to know that Amazon itself is looking to hire close to 1 lakh people, and this is why I am telling you that this online and e-commerce shopping, people have changed the tendency. In the closed lockdown time, they have found it convenient to have things delivered at the doorstep, and this tendency will continue in the coming time as well. Then you have online education, the e-learning platforms like Zoom, platforms like Kazavi, companies like Byju's, they are already doing very well in this space. So this will involve another talent, people who are expert in writing their content. You'll have a lot of free webinars. So a different flavor of education altogether. And then all these things have to be supported by software. So skill set required in software industry will call for demand. You'll have people who need all these things to be branded online. There are new types of apps that will be be in demand. So software industry is again looking forward to have a lot of talent pool. Then you have people who are consultants, people who have life coach, people who do coaching, people who do counseling. Then the training, all these things will happen online. This physical training will become an outdated activity altogether. You will have another venture like IT goods sellers, laptops, battery chargers, etc. All these things will be sold online. So there are different segment altogether that will venture up. The next important category that I see is that digital entrepreneurs. You'll have video editing, photo editing, copywriting, search engine optimization, social media optimization. This will call tremendous potential and talent. People who are skilled in this will have a lot of opportunities to work and gather and capture and grow. Then the packaged food industry, people have found it very convenient in these days that they get something which is ready to cook in less time at the doorstep, which have certain preservatives. It is easy to carry. I recall a company Gits. They make some recipe of gulab jamuns, etc. So easy to be cooked, not much dependent on outside world. So this packed food industry will have tremendous potential, and it will have rapid growth. Another paradigm shift which is seen is in the delivery service, the food delivery service companies like Zomato. You will have another versions of Zomatos coming up with other facilities. Then couriers, then logistic itself will be in huge demand. This logistic is required to fulfill all these above segments to deliver at the customer's doorstep. And not to miss, India is an agriculture rich country. We look forward to have a lot of talents, lot of IITians and etc. who are into regular jobs, and we get to hear that many such people are losing their jobs in US. they are looking forward to come back to India, and I look forward that they will venture into agriculture sector. I already know a lot of IITians who have moved out from their regular job where they were paid lakhs of rupees a month, and they have ventured and they're doing phenomenally well in the agriculture sector, be it horticulture, be it sericulture, be it traditional agriculture, be it cash crops. You can have a lot of potential from these people who are techies, who have their brain. They can put their brain in how to develop the agriculture backbone in terms of e-mandi, in terms of warehousing, in terms of cold storage, and such type of ventures can be seen from these people. So agriculture is another potential sector which will see a paradigm shift from the traditional to the modern agriculture. That will include your dairy, that will include your sericulture, that will include your horticulture, that will include your fishery, that will include your goatry. So a cash crop, all these entire range of activities, you'll have professionals venturing into it. So my dear friends, this is the time when you should develop your skill. You should look for the choice of your career that you are aspiring for, prepare well, and then be ready for the time when the world open the door of opportunity for you. You just grab it. That's the right time when you will take the first mover advantage. You'll be the pioneering in that field, and the sky will be the limit for your growth. Wish you all the very best. See you soon again.